What is going on, guys? I'm Sandoval here with another live trading video. Today is Wednesday, November the 18th, 2020. The time is 9:28 Eastern. Got about a minute and a half before the market opens. In front of you, I have two charts. We got the Nasdaq 100, the S&P 500. They're both on a 5-minute chart. Using a a funded account, trading one contract, and we're trying to get $500 out of the market using one contract. So with that said, guys, we can see the overnight session market came down from this resistance to the support. It was just bouncing, tried to come back, then finally broke it, came all the way down here, and then it just went all the way up, and it's on its way down again. So what we can expect once market opens, we want to see if it wants to continue with this downtrend. So we want to see the following candle, how far up it goes, and then from that to see if it's going to continue to drop or if it's going to continue to go lower, or if the next candle comes down, breaks this support. If it breaks the support, closes below, then chances are the market's going to continue to the downside. Same thing with the S&P. Market was down here in the overnight, came all the way up. Now it's down here, so same thing. Once market opens, we have to see if it breaks below our support. If it does, then chances are it's going to continue to drop. So we got about 10 seconds for the market to open, guys. And again, so we just wait the first 5 minutes. We let the first 5 minutes go, first candle, see if what it wants to do. And then after that, we start getting ready for a setup and for take a trade. So again, guys, we're just gonna have to be patient. And what I'll do is I'm gonna pause the video and then I'll get you guys back when we get ready to trade. And guys, I'm back. So we're waiting to see if this candle is going to close above the blue line. So let's see how low it retraces. I guess we are gonna go long in this trade, and since we're still waiting to see if it's gonna break the resistance, once we start going past this high, I'll take my stop loss to break even, just to minimize any kind of the market wants to go the other way. As a matter of fact, we can already put our stop loss to where it came down here. So I'm gonna do that right now. If it's gonna go going higher, it's going to do it. If it's not, it's going to take that load. Put it right here, guys, right there. So at this point, we're minimizing it if it comes the other way. We're already in the trade. Right now, we can only just wait for it. So we want it to break this resistance. First to break that high, which is right there. Okay, so now it's in resistance, now it's going out. No need for us to risk anything here, so we're gonna go to break even plus, well, just break even. We go to break even, so for now on it's a free trade. We are just waiting for this candle to break above resistance, If it gets us out, it's gonna suck, but alright guys, we got stopped out. Let's see.
Order filled.
Let's try this one more time, guys. We are in this trade. First starts going our way, then I'll move our stop loss to this low right here. Once it starts turning green, we'll move it to break even. See what happens, guys. Looks like it's not wanting to go to the upside, I guess.
Stop now.
I guess stopped out. It's see, I mean, it's still not breaking those lows, so it should do it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have an order.
Order submitted.
Let's see what this next candle goes up to.
Order filled.
All right, we're in this trade. Now we are selling the market. I'm not gonna move my stop loss right now. And then what I'm gonna do, if it's gonna come down, it's gonna break that support. Chances are it's gonna come down to this levels here. So,
Order canceled.
guys, at this point, no need to risk no money. Anything happens, we walk out with 400 bucks. It's looking good, guys. Let's lock in 500 bucks, which will be at the 100 tick mark. 11,945. All right, so anything happens, guys, we'll still come out with 500 bucks. If it takes our take profit, we'll walk out with 800 bucks. Let's lock in a little bit more here. Let's go to the 1140. It's playing with us, guys. Let's go down here. 35.
Stop fill.
I got stopped out. There it is. It did it. We got stopped out. 710, guys. The bank. That was good. That was a good trade. Again, the first couple of trades, you know, we were expecting the market to go high to the upside. We took a couple of trades, but you know, since we were not 100%, because again, it was coming down, it was a downtrend. That's why I kept putting my stop loss to break even. So the first two trades we got 15 bucks because it took us out. Third trade. So I was like, okay, now we realize the market wants to continue to go to the downside. So we shorted the market. Our entry was perfect at 11,970. It was just to the tick. I don't think we were negative at all in this trade. And it just tanked. And now we could have made those $800. Hey, 710, still a good day. Chances are it's gonna keep dropping to the next support, but we already got our money. We don't care what happens next. We can do this tomorrow. Is another day. We'll do it tomorrow again, guys. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a like, share this video. If you have any questions or comments, just put them on the comments below. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, guys. Turn on that notification bell so you guys can get to see our videos. With that said, guys, look at that. It just keeps dropping, so it's gonna get down to next one. So with that said, guys, thanks for watching, and good luck with your trading, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.